Now, if you're interested in affiliate marketing but not sure where to start, this video is for you. Because in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 different beginner-friendly ways that you can start making money with affiliate marketing. And believe it or not, you don't always have to create videos or write articles or create TikToks. There's always a way for you to generate affiliate marketing income in a way that is most comfortable for you. So let's jump into it. Let's start with the very first stream of income, which is probably one of the most well-known and probably one of the oldest ways that you can generate money with affiliate marketing. And this stream is actually the one that I'm most familiar with, which is creating YouTube videos. Now, we all know that YouTube is a very powerful platform that can help you to generate affiliate income. So one of the most common and popular ways that people generate affiliate revenue on YouTube is through product review videos, unboxing videos, or product integrations. So this affiliate marketing revenue channel is pretty straightforward. You create a video and then you can put the affiliate links in the description box. However, as you guys all know, YouTube has recently started creating a different way for you to also generate affiliate marketing revenue, which is through tagging products. So if you are monetized on YouTube and exploring other ways to monetize your YouTube videos, aside from just like AdSense or sponsorships, you can also go to the monetization tab and you will see that you are able to tag different products that even, let's say, if the video is not about the product itself, let's just say if you just want to make a lifestyle video, but you're wearing cool outfits or you have some cool products in the background, anything like that, you can still tag those products. I always tag my equipment, for example, because that's something that I always use in all of my videos, even if I'm not directly talking about those products. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit that like button to support this small channel and also follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends. Now, the next way to generate affiliate income is through Instagram, or we'll see, I'm filming this just a few days before we're supposed to find out what is going to happen with TikTok. So even though the way that you would generate affiliate income on these two platforms is slightly different, however, the content that you're going to be creating is going to be pretty similar. I'm sure we've all come across those videos where people review different products. This is also a perfect way for you to create monetizable content without showing your face. You can create different product reviews and tag your affiliate products. Now, TikTok, I would say, is a more monetization friendly platform compared to, let's say, Instagram, because you can generate income through like TikTok Shop, which is directly integrated. Versus on Instagram, I know they used to have an option to tag affiliate links, but now you can also create a product video and also direct your viewers and followers into the link in your bio, which can then take people to your Amazon storefront. I think this option would be perfect for people who don't like creating long form videos because we all know they take a lot more effort. And this is also a great way for you to create monetizable content without showing your face. Anyways, let's talk about the third way that you can generate money with affiliate income, which is through affiliate blogs. Now, this is a perfect stream of income for those of us who don't love creating videos, so don't really have the skills / don't really want to learn the video editing skills and more so prefer writing. So I actually really love this stream of income. This is something that I have been building out actively, especially nowadays with the rise of AI. You can create a lot of written content in the matter of seconds. This income stream is perfect if you're doing, once again, product reviews or product comparison, because people are still actively searching all that information. And this can also be a really great way for you to rank high in search by using different SEO strategies. So the next one on the list is email affiliate marketing. Now, I'd say this one is a little bit more advanced. This one is really perfect if you have a following or have a website with a great lead generation system. So pretty much you don't always have to create long form content if you're not really into like videos or blogs or anything like that, but you have a very engaged community of followers, so people who are interested in what you have to say and wanted to sign up for your email list. This affiliate marketing channel can actually be extra effective because those are the people who are already interested in your content or your products or your business. Pretty much you can use platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp to build out your list. You can then create short but effective newsletters or product recommendations that you can regularly send out to your audience or to your email subscribers and generate affiliate income that way. With all of these different affiliate marketing channels, one thing I forgot to mention that a lot of times, even if your audience or people who come across your content don't end up purchasing the product that you recommended, but even if they click on your affiliate links, the cookie system will still make sure that you will receive some sort of revenue even if they end up purchasing a different product from the same platform, such as Amazon. This is something that actually helped me to create a lot of extra affiliate income through my Amazon Associates network. I actually briefly mentioned that in my Pinterest affiliate marketing video. In case you haven't seen it, I'll include it in one of these corners. All right, now last but not least is Pinterest affiliate marketing. So obviously a lot of you guys have discovered my channel through my Pinterest affiliate marketing videos, and you guys know that this can be a really really fun way to generate affiliate income. Now, just like with most other Pinterest affiliate marketing channels that I just mentioned, this is not a get rich fast kind of model. And in fact, if you've seen my Pinterest affiliate marketing videos, you know that this is an income stream that can take a while to build out and does require a strategy to start seeing any money. Pretty much the way the Pinterest affiliate marketing works is you can create unique pins and use Pinterest to generate organic traffic. A lot of people use Pinterest for things like furniture, home decor inspiration, fashion, wellness, all of those things. And by creating engaging and aesthetic pins and getting people to click on those pins and go to your products, you can potentially generate affiliate income through a pretty organic reach. If you're interested in Pinterest affiliate marketing, I'll additionally include my entire Pinterest playlist down below so that you can learn more about this passive stream of income. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!